डेमोलिशन
हेल्थ सेंटर जे गव्हर्मेंटान अप्रूव्ह केला आणि काम वर्क ऑर्डर इश्यू केले 23 crores तितून एन्क्रोचमेंट क्लियर करचे म्हणून पंचायतीक ऑर्डर येयल्ली आहा. आमची सगळे गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर्स हाय लेवल मीटिंग कंडक्ट जावन ऑल एन्क्रोचमेंट्स which ever sides are there has to be cleared.
Big plots for sale from 1,000 to 20,000 square meters at Mapsa, Menkodem and Dhargal. Contact Big Tycoon.
Based on the
your land is your land.
based on the health.
यांचे फाईल काढून चेक करून पडटले.
Based on the health. Panchayat is given.
But problem is all you prepare the plan, you sign in for, you knowingly you are signing.
जे एन्क्रोचमेंट हा ते विलेज पंचायतीक आमी लेटर केल्ली. लॉंग प्रोसेस जालो, खूब वर्सां जाली. सो आयज ताणें तें क्लियर करून आमकां दिलां सो दॅट द कंस्ट्रक्शन कॅन स्टार्ट इमिजिएटली सिन्स द वर्क ऑर्डर इज ऑलरेडी बीन इशूड. सो वी हॅड टू क्लियर दीस सो दॅट ऑल वॉट एवर इज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी डन टू स्टार्ट द प्लेस इज रेडी फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन.
वर्क ऑर्डर इश्यू केले 23 crores तितून एन्क्रोचमेंट क्लियर करचे म्हणून पंचायतीक ऑर्डर येयल्ली आहा. आमची सगळे गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसर्स हाय लेवल मीटिंग कंडक्ट जावन ऑल एन्क्रोचमेंट्स which ever sides are there has to be cleared and given to the contractor by the village panchayat and also by the directors of health services. So today some compound walls and all were there who were behind, and one shade, temporary shade, has been cleared. But the owner says part of it belongs to them. So we have again going to bring a surveyor who had earlier done the demarcation and let him show which are their points. We don't, primary health center or panchayat or government does not want to take 1 inch of the people who are staying or the hotels or guest houses which are in the vicinity. Hinga guest house ha, Hingasuri guest house ha. So we want to see that we will provide them a road. The road जो मुतसून येयला तो साइडीक सून आमी हाडटा 6 meter and will take it and make a ring road. So चारूय वाटेन प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटराच्या रोड आसतलो. If the property is encroached, then you cannot build a hospital. So they want free of all encroachments, all this. तेंच्यांनी आमचे कडेन टायम मागला. हिंगा जनरेटर आहा पळय, this is again encroached. This property belongs to health center कांदोलीम, PHC कांदोलीम. सो हो स्लॅब मोडपाचो आहा. तो गव्हर्मेंट ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आहा तेजेर वयर, तोय काडपाचो आहा. गव्हर्मेंट ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आहा म्हणून आमी हे आयज मोडिना, बट वी विल commence the demolition day after tomorrow. But they have to immediately remove their generator and all these panels which are over here. RMU बसून काडपाची गरज आहा, तो सायडीक घालपाची गरज आहा. So all these things we will do immediately and the work will start in the next 4-5 days for the construction of the building.